I know there's a lot of party on the calendar for this week, but realistically, do we think all of them gonna happen?
I don't know.
And
With all.
with all these new measures, like I hear we have COVID enforcement officers gonna be
Yeah.
deployed in the streets,
Yeah.
and we hear it's a lot of gonna be a lot of undercover COVID
Mhm.
enforcement officers, and plus a lot of extra metropolitan
Mhm.
police officers
Are gonna be
Yeah.
out.
are gonna be out.
Mhm.
Yeah, so
Don't
I,
know.
well,
Don't
think
know.
no
and
matter what, parties are still gonna
them all
go
go on, but the fine them raised because now it's not a slap on the wrist anymore
Nope.
yeah.
for
10 grand.
keeping a party.
Up to 10 grand.
It's like because I think the government are making example out of
Example.
a lot of these people.
To be honest, I could have also went ahead and keep the party because the location I had to keep the party was very secret and it was kind of this wasn't like a public space. It was private event. But
Mm.
I thought about it and I'm thinking, what is the message that I'm sending? Especially we're here doing
Or
this
so.
program and we're trying to educate people, and then on the other hand, if the laws were relaxed what it was before, then I'll
Yeah.
say okay,
We
it's
can
fine.
go ahead and do it.
But now the government has put in a procedure to try to help, and I
Mm.
think we should try to help as much as all we can.
Mm.
I know the headphone parties, you can make money, but people life are more important than money at times.
Yep.
So that's why I said, you know what, let's step back and try to do our part as little as it is. And if
Yeah,
everybody does that,
Mhm.
And
we reach our
we
way.
have to speak about this other matter because I haven't heard any reports of anybody in the dancehall scene going to the dancehall party contracted the coronavirus. Have you heard about anything like
I
that?
haven't.
I really well, maybe they have, but
It doesn't come public, but based on just like general people who we talk to.
Not normally anything in the
haven't.
dancehall community really don't really keep quiet for long.
you know, really keep
True.
because there's another story. Did we talk about the Michibu story? I will never.
No,
speak
no,
about
we need to go into that now. Make we talk about the Mishabu story.
it. You know,
Yeah.
people. It's not
Yeah,
what we're saying. We're not saying in hearsay. We're reading it from reliable sources. People sending us
As
messages.
well as the
from the news.
yeah,
We're already from the
From
news.
exactly. And it's some of it is speculation. It's not 100% true. So what we heard, what do you hear? 'Cause I mean-
What I see, she bring a bag of money to the bank to deposit,
Yeah.
which it was 30 grand in cash.
yeah.
Yeah, cause it was a clippings of she say making like a snap say she's deposit in her taken from her party
Right.
Yeah.
night before.
And those words were said from her party.
No. Those words wouldn't say, but like the take obviously it was the next day.
Yeah,
The
but
video
they
come
can't
out.
make that assumption.
Okay. But people put two and two together and said that was the taken from her party because obviously you have a party today and you go to the bank tomorrow with all that in cash. It's naturally gonna be the taken from your party, basically.
Well, it's
I
supposed.
disagree.
It's supposed.
All right,
I
supposedly.
agree.
Yeah.
Supposedly
Yeah.
it taken from our party, whatever. Yeah. So all the assumption was that was it taken from our party.
Right.
Yeah. So apparently some unscrupulous people are I should say person
Or you could pluralize it because we don't know who it is.
are peoples are yeah,
There's a
whatever
lot
are
of different
persons
people.
or whatever you wanna
There
say.
are different angles and people
Yeah.
that we
So-
can look at.
So basically them calling the feds them, the pigs, the cats, whatever on want classify the police as. Them calling me in for scrutinize the investigation and do a thing because even in the whole altercation they will say a bag was stolen. There was a stolen bag at our premises.
Yeah, because they said that they're charging her for theft.
Yeah.
There's video evidence of her stealing a bag and running with a bag, and then she's wanted for that, and they're charging her
with the COVID
act, whatever, because
that
but
So
what I'm upset about is the people that is sending the message around and speculating. Why are you trying to spread the rumor? If it's something happened to her and it's bad, there's a lot of people in the dance hall will grab things and take
Yeah.
things and run.
And
Whole heap of
twist it
them
and
do
turn
it.
it.
because Rick, you see an idea. Lots of people don't understand the backlash with this of our culture and our music
Yeah.
because you spread this bad speculation now. It might not affect you 2-3 months down the line, but trust me, when we come out of lockdown and all this shit is over,
yeah, it's going to
we're gonna in a worse situation for keeping our events and going out to do this. So
But the
when you're trying to drag down your brother or your sister, Not because you and somebody don't
Leave
talk.
her
no.
alone, man.
Just leave it
I
alone,
don't
man. Let
know
bygones
her.
be bygones. I don't know her either, but the end of the day is like,
You know what?
But the
You-
thing about it, sorry, on that point, some of the people don't look at it from that perspective either. They're just doing the here and the now, what they can do now to damage that one person
Exactly.
right now. So
and
they're
and
not
me can
looking
see
at
it,
the
you know.
backlash.
It's just strong bad mind.
It's exactly.
It-
that.
it's bad mind
It's
is
just bad
active
mind.
because me think that people feel like say yo she shouldn't have made that money there.
It's not even the money, cause what people,
Our part shouldn't go there. What yo no just leave it alone, man.
what I realize is why people don't like her is, cause I don't really know her. I just
I don't
started to
I've seen her in the
see her,
dancehall
yeah.
space
I check her page and she posts
with
a
her
lot of
kitchen and her whatever.
lot of
Yeah.
branded
Yeah,
stuff. So
yeah.
obviously, when you post all this stuff, it creates enemies.
Mm,
And is that not even enemies? It's just the people them who read ya and
Yeah.
not see how you.
yeah.
Regardless if she want how she want get it.
Mm,
If you
it's
see it and you
her.
want, you just go get your one too.
Go
Then Rick,
work
hold on
hard.
now.
Yeah.
If me coming at this earth, right? And I do what I need to do to get my things to live comfortable. Why should a man bad mind me or envy me for what I want?
Exactly.
You can do what you see me, because remember things out there are sell for everybody. It's not like people pick and choose who they want to sell.
Sell.
That's true.
You have to do what you have to do to make that money to get your thing. So when you see she advertise her thing, just lower the girl because
Just
obviously
leave her alone.
is a thing you have to feel proud of it. It's like it's an achievement. If you say yo, thank God to me live and me can afford them thing and me can live certain way in a life.
Of course.
So yo, if you can't live that way, you need to look on yourself and say, Jano,
So what are you doing
make,
wrong?
make this inspire me to
Or
better
what-
my life.
or what need
You
to
get me?
change and improve, yeah.
And I hope this serves to everyone that's watching that just leave her alone if she do what she want to do. And
And
just
just leave people in general
just people
alone.
do what you want.
because
You don't like it, change the channel.
Just change the channel. It
Simple.
doesn't affect you, but you see
This
them-
one I like to, people not like you and them still follow you.
Exactly.
You know.
Because if them not see what go on,
Is that the
them
Lord
not feel good.
I don't, yo,
Them
me's
don't
a boy,
feel
if
good.
me not feel you,
just
or if I do something where I
shake
don't
it.
really like her, me not think me near. Me just like so boom and follow.
Unfollow.
Cause simply, you know,
simple. You know
you don't even know say me unfollow you. Because or anybody me unfollow me like so boom, you won't know.
And,
Oh,
and-
no.
and- unless you're so deep in yourself and you actually download
You
the
won't-
app to tell you who has followed and unfollowed you, which I don't think.
And
Me not think could not go do that.
it don't because
But
NI is just a follow. It's social media, it's not real life, brother.
And
Exactly.
but that,
So it's not that
a
deep.
lot of people get it twisted, and that's where people get themselves in problems. Like them see this high life or whatever people are putting out, and them say, okay, they make social media mess up them head.
Rule them life.
Yeah.
I wish she come out of it unscathed and nothing happens
Yes,
and then
and-
the shot the case up.
And that she will go on and prosper,
Yeah.
and all good things will happen.
Big up
Because
to
I can
yourself.
say this still. Most of the people them on social media we see with the hottest life them and the hottest social media story them a live like drunko. Drunko and dog.
To be continued.
Yeah.
To be
think I-
continued. Quickly, Becca Boo and Jester Big Up Yourself. They're tuned in on our Instagram Live.
Yep.
Jester with the hot song Jealousy, guys. If you haven't listened to it, go over to his Viva channel, his YouTube channel. Follow him on Instagram. We were chatting to him soon. Becca, yeah, we be chatting. We'll be chatting soon.
Of course, right?
Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining us this evening. That's it for me. Raga now, bro, Rasta. I always close door.
Oh, yes. So, we're the Upnlive Show. We're here every Tuesday between 9 and 11. Sponsored by Shush Prints, produced by World Mag. Guys, we thank you ever so much for the continued support. Continue to follow us on social media. Share it out with your family and friends so that our family can grow. Watch our videos every Friday that come out. Tonight's interviews or chats will be out on Friday. So, just link up and do. Like, follow, share, hit the notification bell, subscribe, all them things. Just do it.